Confused about how much your insurance will actually pay for your roof? Let's take a look at how much it's actually going to cost and what the insurance will pay. First, there's going to be two key terms you're going to hear: RCV and ACV. RCV stands for replacement cost value. That's the full dollar amount that it costs today to replace your roof. Second is ACV. ACV is the depreciated value of your roof. So look at it like a car. You always hear people say it depreciates as soon as you drive off the lot. Similar to your roof. As that roof ages, if it costs $10,000 on year one, it's going to depreciate as it ages. They also subtract your deductible. Your deductible is a contractual amount that you agreed upon with your insurance that you will come out of pocket for a given claim. So let's take a look at what it actually looks like on paper. Let's say we have a $10,000 replacement cost value, RCV. This is the dollar amount that was determined between my adjuster and my contractor to replace my roof. Now, we talked about the depreciation and the ACV. Let's say this roof, it's a 20-year shingle on the roof to keep it easy numbers. It's 10 years old, 10 years old. So they're gonna depreciate that value by 50%. They're gonna take $5,000 out of that replacement cost value. So this is actually, that's gonna leave us with a $5,000 actual cash value. Now from there, we still have our obligation to the claim. We said that was a $1,000 deductible. So that's gonna come out of that $5,000, and we're gonna be left with a first payment of $4,000. So what's your first payment look like? Your first payment is gonna be your ACV payment. But once the work is actually completed on your property for the estimated amount that is determined at the adjustment between the contractor and the adjuster, once that full scope is finished and your contractor invoices your insurance for that dollar amount, they will then release the depreciation. The depreciation is that difference in value to get you to that full RCV amount, plus that deductible you agreed upon, and it'll bring you to your full replacement cost value. So we're gonna take a look at a real life example and some numbers of how it actually breaks down. We have a RCV policy, a replacement cost policy. In this example, we have a $25,000 RCV. That's what it costs to replace my roof, agreed upon by the insurance company and your contractor. And we took a 40% depreciation on this job. So $25,000 times 40% is gonna be $15,000. So they're gonna take that 15 out of the 25, which leaves us with our actual cash value amount, that ACV amount. That's what the roof is worth as it sits today. Now, we as a policyholder, we have an obligation with our insurance company to pay a deductible. In this example, we're using $1,000. So that ACV, $10,000 less our $1,000 deductible, that's my obligation to the claim, it's gonna leave us with a $9,000 first payment from the insurance company. Now, the good news is once this work is all completed and my contractor invoices for this $25,000, that replacement cost value, they're gonna release this depreciation to you. That's gonna be that recoverable depreciation in an RCV policy, which will bring you to $24,000 plus my $1,000 deductible. My obligation to the claim is gonna bring us to that full replacement cost value. And that's how the payments break down on an RCV policy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you got any roofing questions, be sure to drop them down in the comments below. We always love sharing our knowledge and helping a homeowner through the roof replacement process. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.